Friday night in my hometown. Those guys behind me are actually my neighbors. So why is everybody so mad? And how did I get stuck with these two freaks? Well, the aliens showed up. Okay, let me back up. This thing with Lorelai is about to happen. I can feel it in my bones.
Bones? Yeah, that'd be cool.
You're not even listening. You never listen to me. You're supposed to be my friend.
What? Look, Lorelai doesn't like you like that. If she did, she'd have given it up by now.
I'm saying I think she does. I feel like we're right on the cusp. She's been coming over to my house more and more lately.
That's because she stashes her weed at your house.
How did you know that?
Because her dad's a Christian Scientist and because everyone calls you her weed locker.
No. People really call me that?
All the time.
Makes me look like an idiot.
Pretty much.
And what do you say to him? You back me up, right?
No.
Parminder.
What?
That's your job as a friend, is to make me look good when people... Are you kidding me? Dude, you're a terrible friend.
Okay.
Maybe she has me hold her weed as an excuse to keep coming over. Did you think about that?
No.
That's probably it. Her body language has been super cuspy lately.
Well, if it's been super cuspy, then...
Hey, Lore.
Yeah, that cuspiness was palpable.
Shut up.
Boom.
Oh, God.
Hey.
Hold on.
Patrick, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Tonight's the night.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait.
Your first van party.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna love it.
Mm-hmm. So, I heard that vamp parties can be like kind of rough, is that?
Hey, that's my locker right there.
Look, if you're too scared, we don't have to do
What?
this.
No, I'm not scared.
That's my special girl. Come on.
Hey, if I could just get him out.
Shut the fuck up!
Oh,
Come on.
we should...
Don't ever get in my way again, pussy. Mr. Keller?
Teacher's lounge.
What?
I'm in the teacher's lounge. Teacher's lounge. Teacher's lounge. Teacher's lounge. For the love of Pete, if you finish a pot of blood, please put another one on. Can we all do that? We can all do that. Look at this.
Mr. Keller, I just had one quick question about my paper. I think there's been an error in the grading.
Oh, let me guess. You think there's been an error in the grading because in your mind you wrote a wonderful essay, yet you still received a failing grade. Is that it?
That's correct. And I'd like you to change it.
Don't you get it, Ned? Right? Not everything in your life is under your control. Sometimes people don't do what you want them to do. Sometimes you vink at them and they don't vink back.
What's a vink?
It's the cruel world, is my point. Best you learn that now before you get the wrong idea, okay? And the donuts are gone? The donuts are gone? Huh? We couldn't save one donut. Not one donut. No, I don't want your quarter of a donut. I want a full donut. Don't you dare. Don't you fucking dare. Unbelievable! Come on, man, for the love of shit! God damn it.
So you were saying something about deliberately misgrading my paper to teach me a lesson?
Man, I'm so sorry. It's just that most of the kids that go to this school, I mean, I would love to chain all of them to their lockers in a manner that would make sure that they would not escape. And then just roll sticks of dynamite, like old-fashioned dynamite. Just roll it down the hall and blow up the school. And then I'd spare a couple of faculty. Not this motherfucker. I should fucking eat you. But you're amazing, Ned. You're possibly the best student I've ever had in the 97 years of teaching at this godforsaken shit stain of a school.
Wow.
And that's the reason that I have to just strangle your dreams and break you as a being.
I don't understand.
This essay is a masterpiece, Ned. It should be framed and put in some museum that's dedicated to great essays. And I can't tell you how much joy it gives me. There's an F there. That F stands for fun. My fun.
Dude, it's crazy. When she's looking into my eyes, it's like time stops.
She never looks into your eyes. Look, man, you need to just shut the fuck up and do something about it.
Okay, like what?
I don't know. Go caveman on her. Just club her over the head, drag her back to your cave, and just. Brrr.
You're so violent.
All right, well, then next time you see her, just grab her thigh.
Just grab her thigh?
Enjoy your riblet.
This is Lorelai, okay? I'm not just gonna grab her thigh.
You know what? Last weekend, I grabbed Kathy Murch's thigh. She sat on this face, bro. I gave her a nose job.
Okay, number one, I don't even know what that means. Number two, Kathy Murch is a slut.
Man, stop judging people.
Unless you like her.
I kind of do.
You like her?
Kiss and gazpacho. There's no brains here.
Look at that.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely hitting that. We're playing you B squad bitches today. I'll probably go yard at least twice and chicks dig the long ball. Hell, I'll probably go 3 times if coach puts in that bitch Parminder.
I'm sitting right here.
Hey, Petra. You're going to the vamp party tonight. I've always wanted to go to a vamp party.
That's because you're a total vampire, Leonard.
Am not. Can I come with you? You can take my dad's Kia.
Yeah, I would, but I'm actually kind of going with Milan.
Shut up. Milan Panache? That's huge.
Oh my god, look at her face. She's totally gonna fuck him.
Yeah, you better jimmy up.
If you actually knew him, you'd realize Milan's really sweet.
Cockblock me again, and they'll never find your body.
Your brother is such a dickbag.
I know.
First pitch I'm throwing at Chaz, fastball.
Burn it in.
Shit,
What?
Rick's here.
Yeah, he's sponsoring the team this year.
Fuckbag fired my mom, and every time I see this asshole, he brings it up.
Come on, man.
Whatever, he probably won't even recognize me.